Sure, he's into Hair Rules, but I like doing my own thing. And I know Hair Rules is great for hair that is natural or straight. Let me tell you what I do. I use Hair Rules No Suds Cleansing Cream instead of regular shampoo. I capture my natural curl pattern real quick with Hair Rules Kinky Curly Cream or Curly Whip. I don't worry about heat damage with blow dry because Hair Rules blow it all out standing by. And when I want my braids and twist outs to say all right, with Hair Rules Leave-In Moisturizer, my protective style is out of sight. I may change my hairstyle frequently, but the beauty of healthy, natural hair is versatility.
Hair Rules, hair care and styling solutions for a multi-textural world. Your choice, your hair, your rules.